Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news our second largest dairy cooperative may about to be sold. The board of Westland Co-operative Dairy Company has signed a conditional agreement to sell the struggling business to China-based Inner Mongolia Yili. The deal price values the business at $588 million. Yili owns South Canterbury-based Oceania Dairy, into which it has invested more than $650 million. Westland's board says it engaged 25 other potential buyers in the sale process before choosing Yili. Farmer shareholders will need to approve, as will the High Court. China is not selling out of its holdings in US Treasury debt. In fact, if anything, it is building them. For a second straight month in January, after 5 months of declines and amid trade negotiations between the two largest economies, their holdings rose to $1.1 trillion. A new report on counterfeit goods by the OECD found trade in fakes has increased over the past 3 years and now represents 3.3% of world trade, or more than $800 billion in annual flows. In Europe, the two largest banks in Germany have taken their merger plans public. That is not exactly a match that many are enthusiastic about, however. In Norway, their central bank is about to review interest rates, and a hike is expected to take it to 1%. That will make it the second such rise in the past 6 months. In Australia, analysts are anticipating that the fear of not getting out is about to take hold in some key property markets, and that listings in Melbourne and Sydney will rise as investors rush to sell. The investor metrics that accepted wafer-thin investment returns in a rising market won't accept them in a falling market. The US Treasury 10-year yield is little changed at 2.6%. Their 210 curve is now at 15 basis points, while their negative 1.5 curve is now down to 10 basis points. And gold is also unchanged at $1,302 an ounce. And US oil prices are marginally firmer, now just over $59 a barrel, while the Brent benchmark is over $67.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is at 68.5 US cents and little changed as well overnight. On the cross rates, we're marginally weaker at 96.5 Aussie cents, and against the euro, we're still at 60.4 euro cents. That holds the TWI at 73. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.